This is a Virgin Media TiVo box. Now I'm going to take the back off. There are 4 screws at the back and they have this particular screw in there, which is a Torx screw. It's a tamper-proof version. I did have to use a standard screwdriver to get 3 of them out, but the 4th one I couldn't get out. So I've drilled it out using a cordless drill. Now don't drill too far in, otherwise you'll go through to the top. I'm using a 4mm drill bit that should do the job. Now there are 2 more screws at the back, and this is what the Torx screw bit looks like. So when you undone the 2 at the back, you can now take the top off. There are 2 little retainers at the front, and there it is. Let me just show you exactly where the screws go. You've got 1, 2, and you've got the next one 3, and the 4th one is one that I drilled out. You could use glue to put it back into place if you want. That bottom one there is an unusual one, so bear that in mind when you're taking yours off. Now putting it back on, you've got the 3 screws on the bottom plus the one that you can glue back in place, and then you've got the 2 at the back. So that's how you take the top off and how you put it back on again. Now if you want to see more of what's inside, just go onto my channel and look up Virgin Media, what's inside, or just click on what comes next on this video. Thank you for watching, and if this did give you some value, then please share, like and subscribe.